Team Gamers. What? No. More like Team Stupid. Oh my god. This user sucks. This user hates SMG4 for no reason. This user hates other good YouTubers for no reason. Which is not enough. She make bad posts about famous Roblox YouTuber Vanna Bean. Like, what the hell did she do to you? And worst of all, she caused animal abuse to her cat. You will get arrested and end up in jail for this. I want this user to get terminated soon. Do you know who likes this user? UTTP users. They like to hang out, but they can't because they are still grounded. Do you know who hates this user? Me and my friends. So screw Team Gamers. SMG4 and rest of good users are 100% better than her. End of the rant.